Hello everybody, welcome to all for this class. So today we are going to discuss about the lesson The Fun They Had. So which is belongs to ninth standard. This is English class. So the first lesson The Fun They Had. So as we discussed in our last class, first part has completed. So in the first part of this lesson, as we discussed, Margie and Tommy are brother sisters, and Margie's brother Tommy found the book here. The book is about explanation, elaboration of school, how schools of the past were there, and this is the story of the future generation. So how many years forward from now? How many hours? How many years forward is 130, 137 years forward from now. This is the story of future generation. So this is the story how the future generation school and education will be there, and totally the now it means the present education system will not be there in future generation. So the complete education system will be changed. So that is why the education system of future generation will be discussed here. Okay, so Margie was explaining the schools of her education. So Margie was very hateful about school. Okay, because the robotic teacher and the computer virtual classroom uh, becomes very hateful to her. That is why she was very hateful about school. So in the following lesson, we have to start today. Okay, yes. He was very hateful about school because the robotic teacher gave the test in geography again and again, and she she had uh, she had taken the marks very worse and worse. Okay, mother thought that the mechanical teacher something wrong with mechanical teacher. That is why she sent the county inspector. She sent for the county inspector. County inspector came, and county inspector is repaired the mechanical teacher and gave her back the mechanical teacher. So Margie is very hateful. Margie was again hateful to robotic teacher. So then what happens in the next lesson? So let us be discuss. Okay, yes. The inspector had a smile after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. So after he was finished his work of repair the mechanical teacher, robotic teacher, and he smiled. He smiled and patted Margie's head like this. Patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mr. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. So he said to her mother, "It's not the Margie's fault. It's the it's the fault of machine, which is called as a robotic teacher." So it gained a high speed level, 10-year, not a 10-year level, it's a high speed level. That is why Margie was not, Margie didn't understand the language of the machine. So it happens sometimes. The county inspector said that it's happened sometimes. I will set up the machine in a certain level that she could be understand. Margie could be understand. So I will gear a little more, little slow. Then it will be wonderful for Margie. He said that overall pattern of Margie is her progress, completely her progress is quite well. So don't care about Margie's marks, and he patted Margie's head again. The county's inspector was totally repaired, repaired the mechanical teacher, and he gave up back to the machine to Margie. So, and again he patted Margie's head again. Okay, yes. Margie was disappointed. Margie was disappointed because he don't like the mechanical teacher, and it is ready. It is about to start. That is why she disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So Margie had been hoping they would be take the teacher away altogether. Margie thought Margie thought was complete mechanical teacher would take altogether. But as but why why she was thinking about, because the same way Tommy's history sector was taken care of, was it means history. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out. The Tommy's robotic teacher taken away because the history sector is totally blanked away. So totally a month history subject, history sector had blanked out. So in the same way, Margie, wa- Margie was thinking about his geography sector. Geography sector would be blanked out, but it's not happened. It was not happened. So my accounting inspector set up a very fantastically mechanical teacher came back to teach to Margie. Okay, yes. So geared means adjusted to a particular level. So county inspector geared machine little lower, means 10-year level. Okay. So she said to Tommy, why would anybody write about school? So this is about the school. So machines and computer, this is all damn things. She could be very hateful to school because a robotic teacher was there and virtual classrooms were there. There are no children's. There are no other children's, and they could be smile together. They could be play together. They could be dance together. This and that. But in this school, in the future generation school, was very hateful because the education that the Margie had is totally boreful, totally hateful, boreful. Okay, she would not be enjoyable in 1 second. All the steady. Okay, the robotic teacher's face looks like very dangerous to Margie. Okay, because the only thing is the study. How could a child, how could be a child live in this situation, in this education? This is not possible. So that is why Margie was very hateful about this. Okay, yes. So that is why would anybody write about school? I'm not going to writing about school. She said. Tommy looked at her with a very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. So Tommy looked her with very superior eyes because the school that explained in the book, it's not the type of Margie's school and Tommy's school. It's not about the robotic teacher and the computer virtual classroom. So that is why Tommy said that because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. This is the schools that they had hundreds and years ago. Tommy pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Centuries ago. Don't think out. They don't think out these schools have robotic teachers and this and that stuff. But these schools had hundreds and hundreds years ago, centuries ago. Okay, centuries ago. Okay, ನೂರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟಾಮಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Understood? So this is the matter that Tommy explaining about to school to Margie. Okay, so Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Margie was a little hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all the time. She read the book over his shoulder for a while. She read the book a while, a little bit time, and she said again, anyway, they had a teacher. Anyway, they had a teacher. It means Margie was hateful about teacher because the teacher that she had is a robotic teacher. That is why she hateful about teacher. But she doesn't know actual teacher is a human teacher of those times. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Regular, regular. See, regular means normal here. Normally there is a robotic teacher. That is why Margie was hateful about this. So, but here Tommy explained about the teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It wasn't a robotic teacher. It was a man teacher. Tommy explained again. Teacher was not a machine. Teacher itself a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Because never been seen in her life and his life. A man could be a teacher. They had not seen the teacher as a human. The teacher means the robotic teacher. Then she surprised. That is why she said that how could a man be a teacher? Well, next. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. He just told the boys, the teacher told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. The teacher is always told the boys and girls together and gave them homework, asked them questions together, all together. All the children have to come in a one place that's called as a school. This is the actually school that this explained in this book. Okay, a man isn't smart enough. A man isn't smart enough. The man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Sure, sure he is. My father knows as much as my father and as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Margie again, Margie. He knows almost as much, I betcha. The teacher knows as much, I betcha. Betcha means with 100% sure. Teacher knows as much his father. Okay, and also father knows as much as my teacher. If teacher gives the homework, if child if child don't understand the homework, she would have asked the doubts to father. This is the possibility of the school. Okay, yes. So Margie wasn't prepared about this dispute. This dispute, Tommy's dispute. Okay, she wouldn't prepared. She wasn't prepared. She said, "I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me." Margie was not come out the prejudice of the robotic teacher. She again repeated that I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. I don't want a teacher teach me in my home. So what is the Tommy's reply about this? Then look at it. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't come to the home to teach. There is a separate building is there and teachers would have lived there. Teachers would have there and all the children have to go there. So this is actually about the school. But don't think about your school. Okay, yes. And all the kids learn the same thing. All the kids learn the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age, if they were the same age so if they were the same age, all the children have to go to the school. All the kids learn the same thing. There is nothing, this was separate, that was separate. No, all the kids learn the same thing, yes. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. But my mother said teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy. Each boy set up. The teacher must set up to adjust the fit the mind of a girl and a boy. It teaches that each kid has to be taught differently. This is not possibly okay. Each child, if each child taught differently, it was not possible. Taught, all children should think differently. That is another matter. But taught. Samely. Yes. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. See here, just the same they didn't do it that the way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Then she realized, I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny books. Then, this moment, she wanted to read about school. See that. Then what happens with the next? They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Then they weren't even half finished. Then they were not even half finished. They were very surprised about the school of the past, and these schools are not the robotic type and the virtual type. These are the real schools. All the children were go to the same building, and they were playing. They were loving each other. They were enjoying each other. They were helping each other. So this is the actual school of this school of this book. Okay. So Tommy and Margie very very wonderful about wondering about the school which book explains. But here they weren't even half about school, half half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Now said, Margie looked up. Margie looked up, not at Mama. I'm not ready, Mama. I'm not ready, not at Inuila. Now said Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, and said, it's probably time for Tommy also. It's probably it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie looked up not at Mama, but Mrs. Jones said that it's probably time for Tommy too. Then Mrs. Jones called Tommy also. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school? Can I read the book after the school with you?" Asked Margie to Tommy. Maybe. So Tommy said that maybe. He said nonchalantly means carelessly, because Tommy is very happy about that, and maybe nonchalantly, careless. Uh, Margie is about Margie was very liked about the school. That is why he said that maybe. He said nonchalantly. He walked away, whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. He walked away whistling the dusty old book. The word dusty is there and tucked beneath his arm, like this. Like, this is the book, okay? This is the book. He tucked his book beneath his arm and stepped out, like this. Okay, Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. The virtual school is next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on. Mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time, every day except Sunday and Saturday. So every day school, virtual classroom, and my robotic teacher was on every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. In a regular hours, children learned better if they learned at a regular hours. Okay, yes. The screen was lit up and it said, Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. The again screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. There was no enjoy, there was no little bit of smile of the robotic teacher, just saying the chapter's name. That is why Marky was very hateful about this. And it said also, please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Slot means a particular space, given space in a computer, and it is about to insert the homeworks of her. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the old neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the school ad, sitting together in the school room, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Did with the Margie did it. It means Margie did insert the homework with very sigh. She was thinking about the old schools, how the old schools childrens play together, eat together, helping with each together, and they enjoyed each other. They played each other. They did homework each other. They did homework. They did same the homework. Okay, so in a different manner. So the enjoyful of old schools stuck to her mind, and also the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Margie was hateful about this robotic teacher, and well as also virtual classroom. She was thinking about the fun they had, how the children's fun they had. So this lesson was completed with the heading of the lesson. Yes, the fun they had. So this is about the today's class. The fun they had. Lessons complete. So here this lesson's question answers we will discuss in a next class. Thank you very much.